Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the what is a polymer prism, types of polymer prism, and what is the method overloading and method overriding. So we already discussed about the what is the definition of the polymer prism. So one operation will exhibit different behaviors in different situation. We can call it as polymer prism. One operation will exhibit different behaviors in different situation. We can call it as polymer prism. There are two types of polymer prism. One is couple time or runtime. One is couple time or static polymer prism. Another one is runtime polymer prism or dynamic polymer prism. So, what is a static polymer prism or couple time polymer prism? Static polymer prism is a type of polymer prism which can be achieved at compilation time, which can be achieved at compilation time. Okay. Static polymer prism is a type of polymer prism which can be achieved at compilation time. So method overloading is example for the static polymer prism or compile time polymer prism. So why we are calling static polymer prism? So we are calling the static polymer prism. So while we are doing compilation, so there is no changes. There is no any changes in the compilation type. So that is the reasons we are calling the static polymer prism. That is the reasons we are calling the static polymer prism. So another one is dynamic polymer prism or runtime polymer prism. So dynamic polymer prism means it will changes. Static means it will constant. Dynamic means it will change. So we know the static and dynamic. So we will learn it in physics or something. So another one is runtime polymer prism. So runtime polymer prism is also type of polymer prism which can be achieved at runtime, which can be achieved at execution of the method, the execution time. So execution time we can call it as a dynamic polymer prism. So the example, the method overriding is the example for the dynamic polymer prism. Method overriding is the example for the dynamic polymer prism. Okay, dynamic polymer prism. Method overloading. Method overloading means the process of writing more than one method with the same name with different parameters is called method overloading. The process of writing more than one method with the same name with the different parameters is called method overloading. Okay, method overloading. So how to implement so if you take some methods are same. If you take one method or if you take two methods or three methods, the method name is same, but parameters are different. The data types are different. In that parameter, the data type and size of the parameters are different. So now let's see how to implement this in the Eclipse. Okay. Now now I created the method overloading. Now I created the method overloading. So method overloading. So I have taken one class as method overloading AX. Here I'm taking methods are same. I'm taking two methods as same name. Two methods are same name. So here I'm taking wide wide add this out. So this is the add method one. Add method one. Next one. Void. Next method also same. Next method also same. Add. Okay. Sys out. This is add method. This is add method to add method to. So here the parameters are different. So here I'm taking int a comma int b. So here I'm taking string. The data types are different. Here I have taken integer. Here I'm taking string. Okay, comma int b. Okay. So the methods are same, but parameters are different. If you see here integer, here string, but here integer, here integer. So, so now let's see in this statement, let's a let's b and the next a plus this b. Okay, here you have to take main method. Main method. We have to create the object. So how to create the object? Class name as an object. X equal to new xx. Okay, and then x dot add. Here you have to give 5 comma 7, 5 comma 7. Then x comma string. This is round. This is the yeah, okay. So now let's print this. You will get it. So this is add method. Add method 1, right? So if we keep yeah here, then we will get okay. So this add method 1, 5 comma 7. And this add method 2 is RAM and 8. Here we have to give small cap, small cap. Now we can understand easily. Okay. So this add method 1, 5 comma 7. This add method 2, RAM and 8. So here, so here we are taking same method, different parameters. Okay. So suppose if you take here, I'm taking here, I'm taking int. Is it allow or not? Don't allow. Why? Because integer is same. Parameters are not different. We have to change data type or sequence or size. So, suppose if you take here a string, then here also you have to give string. The sequence is same. So we have to change sequence here. So here I'm giving enter. So now here I'm giving integer. The sequence is different. So that is the reason. So we can call it as method overloading concept. So the parameters are different. The methods are same. The parameters are different. We can call it as a method overloading concept. And one more thing, method overriding concept. The process of writing same methods in parent class and child class, we can call it as a method overriding concept. Method overriding concept. So But here we have taken in one class we have taken method all the methods. We can take number of methods in same class in method overloading concept. But in method overriding concept, we have to take one as a parent class, one as a child class. In parent class, we have to give same methods in parent class and child class. So now let's see. Here we have to give here we have to give method overriding, right? So here I have taken method overriding as a class name. Here I have taken method overriding as a class name. And one I have taken two classes. One is a parent class, another one is child class. So how to become parent and child relations? How to become so which keyword we have to use for the uh, make the relation between parent and child class. So we have to use inheritance. We have to use inheritance concept. That keyword is extends. Extends. We have to use parent class. One. Here. Yeah, we have to close. Child extends. Okay. So in parent class, I'm taking method, same method, and child class also I'm taking same method. Okay. That is a add method. This out, this out. And here also I'm taking white and this out. Okay. So in child also I'm taking add method and parent also I'm taking add method. Okay. Methods are same in parent and child class. But since method overloading we have taken only one class, but methods are same. So here I'm giving parameters. So if you give like a same method, same methods in parent class and no child class. So we can call it as a method overriding concept. So method overriding concept will execute in the runtime only. It will decide in runtime only. But method overriding is decide in the method runtime only. Method overriding is decide. It will execute in runtime only. But method overloading is implement in the compile time only. It will execute in the compile time. Okay. So this is about the method overloading and method overriding.